There are three different types of decks in the Lord of the Rings, the card game: the Quest deck, the Encounter deck, and the Player deck. There are also hero cards, which do not belong to any deck. Each deck has its own function and its own set of card types. Each quest card in the Quest deck represents one of the various stages of the quest the players are pursuing in a scenario. Each quest card is a numbered step in a fixed, sequential order. The Encounter deck represents the villains, hazards, places and circumstances that stand between the players and the successful completion of their quest. The Encounter deck will change according to the scenario selected for the game. The Player deck includes a combination of ally, attachment and event cards, which are drawn throughout the game. Player cards are separated into 4 thematic spheres of influence: leadership, law, spirit and tactics.